Hello guys, welcome back to Nerdy Assembles with my little teammate partner. Does that tickle? Look at that, you are heavy. Okay, so we will be learning how to do the Nerdy Assembly dance. Alright, you're gonna have to back up because it's going First you will be looking at my...
Next time you'll think about that before you open your smart mouth.
Do not listen to that. Besides that, first you will be looking at my little sister's Nerdy Assembles dance. Please love it and subscribe. Okay, that was my little sister's Nerdy Assembly dance. And give a little clap if you loved it. You can't tell I'm clapping. Now, we'll be learning how to do the real Nerdy Assemble dance. Now, time to put this mask on. The Nerdy Assemble mask. Now, this is the Nerdy Assemble. First, you clap your feet like that. No, you go like that. And then you do it the other one. And then you do clap, clap, slap, slap, slap. And then that's how you do it. So, let's do it the full way. So, we will be playing some music. Make a beat! And this is just my regular dance. Alright, so that was learning how to do the Nerdy Assemble dance with my little partner. Can y'all see? No. Okay. Well, that was it. Bye. I'm sorry, I'm talking like a Chinese person.